The original purpose of Thilsted was to help deliver better green energy projects.
We came with a different approach, and we came quite quickly into the industry, and we were a bit seen as the new naughty boys in the industry, doing things in a different way.
I saw that from when we were just 10 people. We weren't afraid to step back and say, well, actually, what's the bigger problem you're trying to solve?
So one of the things we have done is to make sure we always have sufficient people in country to be able to talk to that customer locally, answer their questions and work with them.
Southern North Sea, Northern North Sea, the Baltic. We have been involved in projects on the east coast of America, also on the west coast. And then of course APAC. We've really kind of seen a lot of ground conditions, and many of them are actually really unique. But we are really able to use our expertise individually on every single site to find the best solution for that project at that project stage.
When you're doing exciting things, you attract really good people.
We're a people business. We talk about how we utilise our software to be efficient and effective, but it's still our people that create the insight from that software. That engineering expertise oozes out of every crevice, out of every individual, and just that willingness to want to deliver the best to our clients is infectious.
We work really well together, I think. We're always trying to improve our processes, what we deliver to our clients. Pretty much everyone I work with sort of is bought into that. They're always talking about how we can improve the way we do things. So I think the fact that we're an organisation that is comfortable with that is great. It makes it a fun place to be.
Really shows that if you're passionate about something and you really want to do something, you can actually achieve it if you're surrounded by the right people. And I think here at Thilsted we are surrounded by the right people.
What Thilsted offers now is a holistic solution for customers, but one which is not afraid to still push technical boundaries, to still ask the bigger questions.
You can see our engineering being out in the world and really changing the industry. The Z-flange, the TP-less monopile, they did this amazing split-level platform, which is really changing the way these structures are built. And that's now out there, used by people, and making these structures really one of the most innovative that are out there.
I think if there's one overarching theme that perhaps runs through the company from either the geotechnical end to structural end or geophysics or survey, it's kind of challenging the status quo. We will go the extra mile to deliver that better outcome, because when it works well, that brighter future gets closer for everybody.
Our core values and the fundamental mission of delivering the technical solutions that we need to accelerate the sustainable green energy transition will still guide us also through the next 10 years. I think we will see a widening of geographical footprint and also a widening of our service range.
We need to recognise their market has changed. Business cases are more challenging. Business cases need some flexibility in order to deliver. So it's about having the right capability that our clients need in the right place at the right time to support their requirements.
We want to be known for having the strongest green credentials in the industry, develop not only renewable energy but also sustainable renewable energy. For instance, developing nature-inclusive designs.
And that's where our greatest opportunity is. How we drive our sustainable outcomes for our clients. How do we help them understand what good design, sustainable design should and could look like?
That's what we're here for. We want to be a force for good.